table hi hang kan zia kang IJKLMNOP have different degrees, namely BBA, MBA, MSc, MTech, BSc, BTech, LLB, and MCom. All of them like different colors. Color le degree run. So yeah, one color is Zitsu, red, blue, yellow, brown, peach, pink, green. The veil tenta. Chuanin K likes neither brown nor blue. Tahan kan ziak zelang K likes neither brown nor blue. Not brown, not blue. Swan. The person who has B.Tech degree likes blue. B.Tech blue. B.Tech likes blue. Swan. L has an MCom degree. L has an MCom degree but does not like red. Swan P does not have BSc degree but likes green. Not BSc but likes green. Swan. Either I or N has LLB degree. Either I or N hetai hian LLB or N LLB. Mình zok han kan zia ngei angai ni. I and J neither likes brown nor blue. I and J neither likes brown nor blue. Not brown, not blue, not brown, not blue. M does not have a B.Tech degree. Swan. N likes orange. N likes orange. The person who has MBA degree likes yellow. MBA yellow. Swan. The person who has BBA degree likes brown. BBA degree likes brown. Neither K nor L likes peach. Not peach. Not peach. So ito anayin mo HLAUH question ito. P does not have MTech degree. P does not have MTech degree. Not MTech. J neither has BSc nor likes yellow. J in yellow du'lawa. BSc anilaw po ka. Swan K does not like yellow. K does not like yellow. K to du'lawa nga. Yeah. Ikang kan rem them di han en vang fang teo. MCom orange green. Di siya hi fix oma. MCom orange green. B.Tech blue. Blue B.Tech. Blue B.Tech. Blue B.Tech kan da them. Kan hu thia mem. Blue om thei lawa tiro. Blue om thei lawa. Blue om thei lawa. Blue om thei lawa. Ta hi ton B.Tech ka thei law sa a. MCom om to a. Kan B.Tech ka thei law ve le. Hi ton orange om to blue thei lawa. Ta hiam blue B.Tech ka ta hang kan da ngai. Blue B.Tech. Swan. MBA yellow hi kan da thein MBA yellow MBA yellow ta kan da thia kan da thelo kan da thelova ta hian kan da thei buka MBA yellow hi chu possibilities sa omawangin khadzok hi en nge chinang BBA brown kan da theim not brown not brown not brown tahan BBA om thelova heta hian turo BBA brown BBA brown brown BBA chuan MBA yellow kan da thei ta in ka sia MBA not yellow not MBA ne tahan MBA yellow kan da thei MBA yellow chuan LLB kha kan fix thei tiro pakhat zoka hian pakhat zoka MBA lo ni ta ka wangin ta hian LLB kan fix ang chuan color ho hi BSc not BSc not BSc heta chu hian BSc da theya chuan not MTech kanya tiro heta han MTech kan da le mai anga chuan heta hian nge bang MSc banga chuan tikhan degree chu kan zawa colors a eng nge la bang le hela hian kan chin chang o colors tikha red la omatro red la oma blue kan la jak lova kan jak to a blue kan jak to a yellow kan jak to a brown kan jak to a peach kan la jak lova pink kan la jak lova green kan jak to a orange kan jak to a red peach pink te hi eng pink e kan dang red le peach om thei lo ngal red peach pink ka red le peach om thei lo ngal pink kan dang ngal thei dro pink chuan peach le red la oma peach le red tahan peach om lo ti khat te la hi ke a hian mo chu wang tahan peach kan da lenga chuan a bang chu red har lo ka ti kha har lo time consuming ve deuh hle ka han jan neu tura kha soinon ngai lai omem soinon te lo ngai em which of the following colors does K like red option A which of the following degree does I have I have MBA degree option C who among the following likes peach color chu J tro mase J tilova the person who has MTech degree option B the person who has MTech degree who among the following has MSc degree chu B option E which of the following statements is true about the given arrangement? J has BSc degree diglow, K has MTech diglow, L does not like pink a diglow fa, M has BBA degree a dika. M has BBA degree option D.